Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing a new topic called program block. So program block is similar to the module block which we use in the design or test bench. Correct? So now you'll ask, why do we need program block? So program block provides a race-free interaction between the design and test bench. All the elements within the program block are executed in reactive region. So we have two main regions of operation. Let's say active and reactive. These two regions happens at 0 time units. So active region will execute first and then reactive region will execute. So we can say all the elements in the program block are executed in reactive region. So non-blocking assignments in the module are scheduled in active region. Example, this is an example. So non-blocking assignments are scheduled in active. So suppose A equal to 10, we can see. So A will be, this value of 10 will be loaded in active region or scheduled in active region, but the assignment is done in reactive region. Correct? This we have studied in Verilog also in non-blocking and blocking case. Okay. So we can say non-blocking assignments within a module are scheduled in active region. Now, the statements within the program block which are sensitive to the design changes are declared in the module. This is a point that you need to remember. The statements which are sensitive to the changes in the design signals are declared in the modules. Correct? Now, let's see a syntax of program, how to write a program block. So we need to write program, end program, then the name, and then the signal descriptions. Correct? So how the signal will be described? It can be instantiated and ports can be connected in the same way as modules. Like we write in the module, right? So in the same way, we have to write it in the program block also. It can consist of one or more initial blocks, similar to a module. But the main reason why we do not use program block as much as we use module is because we cannot write always or module or interfaces or other programs. This is a limitation of this program block. So we cannot write always, module, and interfaces. And one more thing is variable can only be assigned using blocking assignments. So we can only use blocking assignments in this. Correct. We can, if we are going to use non-blocking, we will get some error. Correct. Now let's see the difference between program block and module. So here this is the code where we use module, and here we are using program block. Correct. So this is the design which is exactly same in both the cases. In here we have written module name and then output address, and we are assigning 10 to the value 10 to the address. Same goes here also. We are assigning 10 to the address. Now the test bench. Test bench, we have used module in the test bench. Here in the test bench, we have used program block. And we have instantiated both the design and test bench in the module test bench top. Correct? Now what happens in the module scenario? So we know that there are two regions of operation right now, active and reactive. So what happens? These two operate in parallel, these two modules operate in parallel. The display statements comes under active region. Similarly, the non-blocking assignment, the value of basically address in the active region will be 0, but it will get 10 value will get assigned to the address in reactive region. Correct? So in the reactive region, the value of address will be 10. In active region, it will be 0. But we know that display statement will work in an active region. So the output will be getting displayed as address equal to 0. Correct? So, and here we can see that there is a race around condition. The value should be displayed as 10, but output is 0. So this is a race around condition, and this can be resolved by using a program block. We can see here. Now similarly, active region have value of address as 0, reactive region address as 10. Correct? But we know that according to the definition of program block, the value, the statements which are under the program block works in reactive region. So the display will work in reactive region. So the output of address, the output will be 10, or value displayed will be 10 as an output. So we can say here that the race around condition is resolved with the help of program block. Hope you like the video and understand the concept of program block. Thanks for watching.